It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang.
What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Today we got another exciting video, man. This is actually a prison flashback video where we having a flashback to what I used to do while I was locked up. Cause they had a brother doing bad, making $12 a month. You know what I'm saying? Working hard for my money. And you see I got the glasses on. You see I got on my trusty gear and all grip blue. And man, we standing in front of the tree. I'm about to have to come. This tree was messed up from the storm earlier in 2021. So now I gotta cut down all these old broken limbs. So I got my ladder and my chainsaw and stuff like that. So we're gonna see how many trees, limbs we can get down. We're gonna see where we're gonna go. I think I'm gonna take out, I know this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut these shits right here, right? Start low. Then I'm gonna get my, I gotta get my ladder and I'm gonna cut that tree. I'm gonna cut that branch. I'm gonna cut that branch because it's broke. Once I cut those, they're gonna fall and I'll be able to just chip them away. I'm gonna cut those, but they're gonna end up falling on the other side. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I'm gonna have to go over there and pick them up or whatever, but it's all good. I don't care. As long as I get it done and get it down. I wish I had somebody to help me because I could have them pull it and I don't have to be on the other side. But I gotta have this tree down so we can get this fence fixed. Cause as you can see, this tree done grew 8 goddamn trees. It probably was a weed at one time. I don't see why they didn't remove it in the first place. This tree obviously been here for many years, so. What a dumbass move for the builders. But hey, everybody can't beat me, so let's start by pulling out the Ryobi. We got the Ryobi. It's a 16-inch. I got the 16-inch. You know what I'm saying? So it won't be able to cut through that stump, so I ain't tripping. But if I get a longer bar, I'll be able to cut through that stump. Looks like I'm gonna be needing some more bar and chain oil soon. So there's still something in there from the last time I used it. So that fuel might not be empty either. It should be enough to finish the job. But if not, I'll just go get some more. Nah, that definitely ain't gonna be enough to finish the job. All right, so we got the fuel mix. Fuel mix right here. Yeah, that was already full. So all right, so I'm gloved up, ready to rock. So let's get on this time lapse. Everyday people, man, watch me rock out with my cock out. All right, everyday people, man. Shit, man, we getting down through there. Got all those branches chipped up. Getting ready for big junk day. Got some more firewood. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this dead shit. I'm gonna just throw this away, cause ain't no that shit. You put that in a fireplace, it's gonna just catch a blaze. So I'm gonna just throw this in the trash pile. I got a wheelbarrow I'm finna go get, so that's gonna help me move all this shit. So we ain't gotta worry about that. I got a couple more, these two. Once I get those 3, I think I'm gonna just climb up in the tree and go ahead and chip those down. I don't know if I should worry about the fence or not. I think I can do it though. The way those trees is leaning, I'm pretty sure they gonna fall back this way if I cut it right. If I notch it right, the shit's gonna fall right. But the ones that's on the other side, I'm gonna just cut them down and I'm gonna go over there and pick them up. So we on to this last little section. I'm gonna clean up around here a little bit, clean up this mess. So once I get to doing those, I won't have no trees in the way and I could just go on through, knock them down, chop them up, move them out the way, and then we gotta, shit, I don't know what we got, man. I think the rest of this tree need to come down, bro. To be honest, I don't know how this shit is still living. It's like rotting from the inside, but whatever.
Showing up on the beat.
Shit, man, so I think I clipped the damn wire or something in a tree. There must have been a wire that grew up in the tree. Oh, it was. I seen it. And it caught my chain, fucked it up. These need a trim, but I ain't got my tool with me, so we ain't gonna worry about trimming it. We just gonna put this chain back on and call it what it is. Some bullshit. My damn chain is bent, so I guess that means I gotta go get a new one. Or, man, I hate that. I gotta go get a new chain. Fuck it, man. Damn, I gotta get the rest of this shit cut. Well, I guess it's the chain it is. I wonder where I got this from. I think I got a warranty on this bitch. Let's go. All right, everyday people, man. So I'm back and I got my chain all put on. I didn't want to do it on camera because it's a bunch of bullshit and it'd be pissing you off. So if anybody knows, you know, about putting chains on, they know it's some bullshit. I got it got a little slack. I might have it too tight, so I might have to loosen it up. That's why I be saying it's some bullshit, because it's never what you want it to do. Like it takes forever to get it to in that sweet spot, and I don't really mess with it that much, so I don't know its perfect sweet spot. But you know, we got that tree, so look, that shit fell down, so it's gonna be easy to cut up. I still, like, all the broken branches are gone. I might be able to cut this whole tree down, but like I said, I need somebody to help me pull it because I'm gonna have to notch it and then we're gonna have to break it down and make it pull it inwards, because all the weight now is on the opposite side of the fence, so that's no good. Now we back ready for some action. All right, so I'm gonna get this time lapse on. I do got my wheelbarrow, so what I'm gonna do with my wheelbarrow, I'm basically just gonna take all these and stack them up over on the side. Stack them up on the side for next week is Big Jump Day, so we having Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna have all this room over here clear. I'm gonna have all this shit taken over to the front, over to the side, ready to take it to the curb for Big Junk, and man, that's it, man. So let's get this time lapse, let's get this yard cleaned up.
Showing up on the beat.
All right, everyday people, man, this concludes our video, man. Let me tell you, I done broke my damn chain again, but really, I'm gonna be honest, I think it's this. So because it's the third chain. Look, I got 1, 2, 3 chains, you know what I'm saying? So I think it's this motherfucker. So what I'm gonna do is, man, I'm gonna just get rid of this. I'm gonna go get a new one, because something keeps getting this thing latched up, and it's tearing up the grooves. It's turning, if you can see, I don't know if you can see, try to get it steady, but these bottom grooves right where my hand is, those bottom grooves, that's what keep fucking up. And you see it ate all of them, because you can see the other ones, how they look right there, and then that very next one, and a few of them. So I think it's this deal. I'm not even gonna put that motherfucker back on there. I'm gonna put it back together though, but I'm not putting that back on there, just so I know before I open this motherfucker up, I'm gonna need to go buy another thing. But I'm gonna have to, because I gotta come back and finish that. So I mean, shit, you win some, you lose some, but you live to fight another day. Man, I'm gonna tell you, this is my only off day, and I'm out here busting my ass cutting down some damn trees. Not only that, I'm gonna be sore. Then I gotta finish doing this shit on Thanksgiving, so you know, it's about to be one hell of a week, man. So, man, thank y'all for watching. Everyday people, this part 1 of Saturday. I'm finna get it on the grind, make another video for y'all, man. Hey, man, keep pushing up them numbers, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate all the love and the hate. You know, shit happens, man. Thank y'all for watching. Everyday people, man. I'll holler at you. Peace.
Everyday people.
What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Man, are you in the middle of the game and your wife is nagging you about that property you still ain't sold? Give me a call at 405-759-0038 and let me get rid of that property for you. No hassle. Get rid of it cash up front. Give me a call, 405-759-0038, and let me get that property sold for you so you can get back to the game.